everybody, welcome to week 5 of What Would You Do Wednesday. Today we are going to look at how to manage blisters during pre-season training. I've got Sean here with me who's going to talk us through how he would manage blisters from a player's perspective, and then I'm going to go through what I would do from a sports trainer's perspective. So do you want to show us what you've got, Sean?
Absolutely. So mine's a pretty simple fix for blisters, one that I use myself. The first step is just putting a bit of Fix 50 over the top, just to cover the blister. As you can see, just put it over the area with the blister, like so. Then the next step is just covering that with a bit of rigid, so just straight over the top again. And then the final step, as I said, it's really simple, just a bit of petroleum jelly or Vaseline. And the best way is just to rub it over the area that's rubbing. You can do this both on top of the tape, so underneath the sock, or on top of your sock. And just make sure there's no friction and it stops the rubbing and just takes the load off a bit. And as a player, that's just a quick and easy way to deal with blisters.
Good stuff, Sean. So now I'll talk you through a little bit of a more complicated way, but I'm sure it's just as effective as Sean's technique. So how I would manage a blister is to cut a donut shape out of some foam and just peeling the back off so that you've got the sticky side that can go against skin. Basically putting the whole of the donut over the blister with the aim of keeping the shoe away from actually making contact with the skin. And then we just cover this with some Fix 50 to keep it in place, just straight over the top of the foam, like so. And to make sure that that all sticks in place, Ash, I'll just get you, if you don't mind, to flip over for me so that you're sitting up. And just slide down this way a little bit. And so now I'll just wrap some 5cm elastic tape, almost in a heel lock type technique, just so that you're covering the foam and making sure that it will stay on securely inside the shoe. And then I'm just going to cut that here. And just to ensure that that stays in place and doesn't move inside the sock, we're just going to lock it off with some rigid tape. Like so. And there you have 2 techniques to manage blisters during pre-season training.